from AlphaCars. We are finally working on our Datsun. You'll find out more from the listing. With this short video, we're just showing you the underbody, and there were two minor concerns typical for this vintage Datsun. Even the nicest ones from California have this issue of the plates rusting out, and as you can see, we took out the rusted plate. We have fabricated a underlayer plate, and then we're going to put a finish plate on top of it, so you can see how it looks on this side. This is already with the underplate in place and a finishing plate on top of it. So this is going to be the inside plate, and this is a template made from the paper that we used to fabricate the outside plate. We used a heavy metal. It's actually not just the sheet metal you buy at Home Depot. We use it from automobile panels. This particular one happens to be from the Jaguar, so it's a little thicker than the than what came on a 240. And so the original design was that this plate goes in place, and that's going to get installed here. Oops. And then on top of it, we're going to install, let's see, it's hard to do it with one hand and the phone with the other, but I think we can. Well, the most important thing is, yeah, that one will stay there, and then the finished plate, like it is on that side, is going to go on. And we are going to mimic the factory installation, so there will be holes drilled, and the spot weld is going to go inside the holes. Then it's going to get cleaned up, and it's going to look as smooth as it was from the factory when the car left the factory in 1971. Check this out. Well, we're done with the Datsun. The underbody is now completed. Check out the finished product. It's all rust-proofed with earth undercoating. You can see both sides, nicely done, look just like on the original vehicle. Very much.